So first things first, this video before it starts, I will tell you the site I'm using to show you this. So the site is Social Blade. Social Blade actually analyzes YouTube channels and what they earn, the followers, and all the analytics. So it's basically simplified analytics right at your fingertips. So you can easily use this channel to check out your favorite YouTube channels and know how much they are making. So this is not a sponsored ad, but just that the site is very good, and so I'll be using this for today. So let's head straight to the gist of the day. So first, so for the purpose of this video, we'll be checking out a few names. The ones we'll be checking out top channels, that's 100k and above. I would like to say just 50k and above, and the small channels, that's 10k down or 20k down to my channel, which is 500 currently. So yeah, so we'll be checking out the top most popular ones, not all but the honorable mentions. So let's start with this guy, the airdrop guy, everyday world. So this guy actually built his follower base, that's subscribers, from 20k subscribers last year to 120k within a space of 1 year, and that's very impressive. That's why he'll be the first person I'll be checking out. And so let's start for the first guy, everyday wealth C70. I think they'll bring out a list of people answering in him or something. Some names are used in YouTube. Okay, yeah. So the first one, that's the guy, everyday world. You must have known him. His channel is blowing up on YouTube because of his posts went viral. Most of his posts went viral. So we are heading straight to it. In the ranking, social blade ranking is ranked 827,000 person or whatever in the ranking. So he has a total of, here he has a total of 129k subscribers, and his videos, um so averagely, let's just check the estimate of his videos. So his videos for 1000 views averagely earns 3 to 43, 2 to 37. So it basically earns anywhere from $2, $3 for 1000 views. So in a month he's expected to earn up to, this channel, this everyday west channel, earns over $226 to $422, and in a year he is expected to earn anywhere around $317 to $5,000, and that's very impressive. Yeah, and he averages up to, per view, for his subscriber, he averages up to 2000 views, 3000 views. So yeah, in the last 30 days he had 100,000 views. So based on how much you, you based on how much views you have, that's how much you rank in monthly. And he posts like once a week, so that's why his earnings are low. So let's check the next guy straight up. You might know this guy, Uche Crypts. He's another tech YouTuber, based on cryptocurrency and airdrops as well. So he's ranked 788,000 person. I don't know how the ranking is, but that the ranking is based on social blade, not YouTube. So, but yes, YouTube ranking of social blade, that's the ranking. So he has here he has 168 uploads. Yeah, that's more. He has 79,000 subscribers. Total views, unlike the other guy that has 5 million views, he has 2 million views. Country in Nigeria, the other one was USA. And this channel was created in June 20th. Everyday World was created in 2022, I mean. So let's get over to the earnings. So it ranges anywhere from $34 to $537 a month, and earns over 400 to anywhere around 600k, $6,000, $6,400 every year. And that's impressive as well. That's over 10 million naira annually from just his YouTube channel. So his expected earnings are from $1. His expected earnings are just basically from $1 to um $20, $1 to 90 cents to $14. So unlike the other guy that has his earnings per 1,000 views ranging from 1,000, sorry, from 3,000 $3 to $30. This one is from $1. Well, that's still good. That's still impressive. So check the next guy. This guy is very popular on YouTube. You might know him, African Giant by Blessing. I don't know what the motivation behind this name though, but yeah, Kolewale. So let's just check this guy. I know how much he's earning because I think he must be earning very much. Yeah. Yeah, he's the first guy. African Giant by Blessing Kolawole. Yeah. So let's know. So I know the channels. He ranges anywhere from 173 dollars to 0.8k $1,000, and in a year he ranges anywhere from $2,000 to 33. That's impressive. To 33k dollars. That's over 50 million annually. So per video, per 1,000 views, he earns anywhere from $2 to $11. Sometimes he earns over $11 to $170, depending on the views he has on the video. So based on the estimate here, for 3,000 views on his video, he earned over anywhere from 11 to $173. In 20,000 views, he earns $5 to 81,000. So based on views, the other ones are had a lower view, like 3,000 views. This one is having 20,000, 14,000, 21,000, and that's very impressive, and that have added to his earnings as well. So wow, that's nice. So in the last 30 days he had 5,000 subscribers. His channel has over 301,000 subscribers, and he has uploaded 912 videos. Wow. And a total of 17 million views. Country is USA. Opened the channel April 18th, 2020. Nice, nice. So in education he ranks 1,396 in channels. So that's impressive. That's very impressive. So let's check this. We have been checking guys. So let's check a lady that's into airdrops as well. Ovampa. I think that I don't know if I'm getting the name correctly, but yeah. So let's check the next person, Vampa, and she has been doing very well for herself. The videos are been gaining tractions and as well. So she has 200,000 subscribers. Has 876 uploads. Wow, wow. And she opened this channel March 31st, 2022. Okay, that's nice. And so averagely in a month she earns anywhere from $41 to $658, $53, and in a year she earns anywhere from $490 to 7,800 and $7,800, and that's very very impressive. So basically she earns over 10M, 12M, 20M in a year, and monthly she earns like at least 700, anywhere from 700k to 900k monthly from her channel. And that's very impressive. No civil service job, public service job that are private that can pay you these amounts in Nigeria. So yeah, so averagely she earns $2 to $1 per video. She has not much views per video, but yeah, that's still impressive. So daily average, weekly average, so basically she earns anywhere from $1 to $22 per views for 1,000 views, and that's very impressive. She has a great B channel, and yeah. So let's head over to the smaller channels. We have been going on and on about the big channels, so let's go to the small dogs. Let's start with Luga Digital. Luga Digital has a Telegram channel, so let's just start with him. I think he has 10k subscribers or maybe 11k by now. So let's just check his channel out. This is a small channel, so starting new, this should motivate you as well. So in a month, yes, he estimatedly earns at least anywhere from 1 to $20. Remember, this social blade doesn't give you the exact amount, they are just giving you an estimated amount, and it could be anywhere from that amount. And I think the $22 are the actual amount, not necessarily the first ones. Not like in a year you have $16. It's not possible. In a year they have up to $262 and above. So these are just estimates, but just give you heads up on what to expect from in an educational niche. That's the tech channel. Yeah, so it's just so let's just go ahead and per video he earns anywhere from 0.06 cents to 0.91 cents. So he's still a growing channel and he's in the tech finance channel. So let's give him a break. Yeah. So let's check another small channel. Wait, let me first of all let me not check an airdrop because this one I'm showing is an airdrop. So let's just check a forex channel and a already established funnel channel. So let's just check like Happy Forex and see the estimated um amounts he earns monthly. So Happy FX is a forex trader, a very popular forex trader in Nigeria, and he has over 100k subscribers, I think. I'm not sure about the figures, so we have to figure that out. So Happy Forex Academy, yeah, that's what we want to be checking out. Um, so let it load. So basically, Happy Forex Academy, that's the name, is a professional trading institution, number one trading academy in Nigeria. Learn and earn. And Sniper Guns, they have 112 subscribers, and I've uploaded over 200, I think, videos or 300 videos. That's nice. So averagely in a month he earns anywhere from 73 to $1,000, and in a year he earns anywhere from $875 to 70k dollars, and that's wow, that's massive. So in per video, per 1,000 views, he gets at least $3, $4, $2. Yeah, per view, per 1,000 views. So if see, okay, let's check it. Like he has 12 views in this video, and based on the niche he's in, he earns $3 per 1,000 views. So for a 12,000 views, you should earn anywhere from that 3,000 $3 times 12, and you get the amount he earns. So let's just calculate it. $3 times 12 gives you $36. So that's what I was telling you, that the estimate is anywhere ranging in between, not the first one, not the exact one. So in these videos, in 12,000 views, he gets $36 because he earns $3 per 1,000 views. I don't know if that's understandable or that's clear enough. So like here in this is estimated earnings, not the actual earnings. So it's estimated to have up to 12 it's expected to have up to 14k views, 14k dollars in a year. I don't know why I'm missing the words up. Sorry about that. So he's expected to again $14,000 every year from this channel with 229 um subscribers. So let's just check it. $14,000 times 106 that's 22 million naira from this channel alone, just making videos about what he likes and his lifestyles, and that's very impressive. So channel, please do, I beg, I need to at least hit 1k within this first quarter. So DI Tech Updates, that's the name of my channel. So let's check it. I haven't started any yet, so let me see what they talk, what they are saying about my channel. I know the grade I'm in, and yeah. So DI Tech Updates, I'm the first one. So yep, I'm still I'm still a very small channel growing. So if I got monetized, see, I'm almost the 1 millionth person. So if I got monetized today, if I got monetized today, I'll be averaging at least 2 to $35 monthly, and 26 to 400, and wow, that's actually very impressive. If you can get $35 monthly, that's like up to 70k for a 1,000 subscriber YouTube channel. So yeah, this is very impressive. So the total views I have in my videos is 176,000. still a growing channel. So I have 169 uploads. Majorly is short videos that is ranking up these numbers, but not much of normal video uploads. So please do subscribe to my channel. I have only 528 subscribers. Wow. And I opened this channel July 16, 2023. That's last year. I think I've been up to 8 months in the game already. So yeah, it's an education channel. So by views, even though I've not been monetized, my views are low. Yeah, you can see that my views are low, and I averagely have up get like 1 to 2 to 4 subscribers per video uploads. That's very poor. So if you're watching my videos and not subscribing, please do subscribe. So videos I have, if I had like that, if I'm monetized and I have these views I'm having now, like I have 600 views for this video, and the earning will be anywhere from 0.16 to $3, and for 800 views I will have anywhere from 0.2 cents to $3. So as is a tech and educational channel, I have up to $3 to earn. So yeah, that's the end of this video. If you find it interesting, I want a part two, so let's subscribe and let's get started. Yeah, let's go.